welcome back to my channel. Here at Devil's Lake in the middle of like this blizzard snowstorm.
At the top of the mountain.
Hey everyone, it's Felicita, welcome back. So for my very first adventure, I decided to go to Wisconsin. I found this small carpenter house on Airbnb and we ended up staying there Friday night and Saturday night. So we drove out there Friday afternoon after I got off of work. Our plan was to stay there all the way until Sunday night and drive home late Sunday night. Let's just say that it just didn't go as planned. And you'll have to keep watching the video to find out what happens. Okay, we are all set and ready to go. We're all packed. I have my backpack here, all my clothes in it. So it's all set. I just need to load it up in the car and we will be on our way. Okay, so the trip is started. We are on our way to Wisconsin. And it's bright and sunny, so when we arrive, it's light out because we're literally going in like some secluded woods in the middle of nowhere. Hopefully we don't have too hard of a time finding where we're going, but I'm really excited. We're gonna stop off and get gas because right now we don't have any gas, so that's our first thing to do. So we're now at the gas station. We're gonna get this huge snowstorm this weekend. That's why we're taking the van. All right, gas is done. 5 more miles till we are in Wisconsin. Are here. We arrived at our destination. We're like literally in the middle of like this forest here.
It has fire in it.
Oh nice. Okay, so we'll go in, we're gonna unpack, and it's this cute little farmhouse in the middle of the woods. You gotta see this. Alright, we just came back in from watching like between 20 and 24 deer eat, and it was so amazing. I couldn't get much good footage or video because it was so dark and my camera just does horrible in the dark. Okay, we are in our pajamas all ready for bed. Let's go check up on the boys. I think they're watching Harry Potter. Good morning, I just woke up and I woke up to the smell of William cooking bacon. He made breakfast, which was so nice. Okay, we're in the car about to go to Devil's Lake. It's snowing pretty heavily out right now, and Devil's Lake is about over 30 minutes away from where we're at.
We're on the driveway and we're just about to turn out and we got signal.
We're here at Devil's Lake. We just need to dress up, put our snow pants on, put my winter coat on because I'm wearing a wool coat right now. But it is like so beautiful. We're not even on the trails yet and it's so beautiful. It is literally so icy here. All here is ice. So I guess guys, we're not climbing that hill.
Why?
Because it's all ice. You want to climb that all ice?
Yeah.
But look at the entire ground, it's just ice. Okay, so the boys decided they do want to go hiking. on the rocks. This is what we're gonna go hiking on. So we are hiking these trails. We finally found the trail, but the thing is, it's all steps going up, and it would be perfect, but it is so icy, and Patrick's really scared for me right now because like I'm this close to the edge, and the edge goes straight down. But we're going all the way up there. Okay, I kind of got tired going up, so we stopped and rest. You guys gotta see this view. We're at the highest point. I'm pretty sure it's the highest point. You just fell on the ice. Are you okay?
Yo, that should be the.
I wish I got him falling. That was really funny. Like, he didn't hurt himself. He's fine.
No, he didn't hurt himself. He fell
He's fine,
forward.
but that was funny.
Like
Ah, Patrick! Oh my goodness, it's all ice.
the car driving.
On the ice.
It was like I came from over there. It's crossing the ice.
That tree just saved my life.
We didn't go the whole thing. We went to the highest point. I'm talking to Mom.
Oh, okay. Oh, one's ice skating all the way down.
My coat is completely undone. I'm a mess, guys.
I just can't do it. I fell. We hiked to the highest point. We don't hike around the whole thing. Just hike.
Yeah, we only went to the highest point and then came back. Because, I don't know. Why didn't we do the whole thing?
It's taking us all day.
Anyways, it said it was like 10 miles or something. Yeah, it would have taken us all day. We were back in the car, but it's still snowing out really hard. Look at my ass.
We just finished like 2 hours.
Look at outside. It's so bright you can't. The whole window's covered in snow. We're here at Starbucks right now. Kind of here also for the Wi-Fi before we head back to our Airbnb. We're kind of just relaxing here for a little bit. Then we're gonna go back. The property we're staying at has 72 acres of just like wooded land. So when we get back, I want to go and explore that. So that should be really fun. Okay, we just arrived back at our B&B. The roads out there were absolutely horrible.
They were slick.
Now we're gonna go explore the woods. Still snowing very
And the
hard.
snow's just coming down.
The boys ran up ahead. Let's hope they don't get lost. There's a creek down over there somewhere, but it's completely frozen over right now and covered in snow.
Ready or not, here we come.
I think he's this way. I'm gonna go down here because I think he's on that way. Potter's walking that way.
I'm just trying to cut him off because the creek is this way. Home is that. I can actually see our house from here, back there. Felicity is down that way. I see her. I'm getting confused. There's the house.
That's not ours.
Yeah, it is ours.
The blue one's not ours.
It's this way, right? So it's farther down? He did go this way. I'm totally lost right now.
Our house is that way, right?
House is that way.
That way.
Okay, he came from this way.
So how did we...
Oh, I know exactly this was with him on this track. And then there he is.
Yeah, these are his.
I know.
That's pretty sneaky. He did a good job. I say he did a good job and he won that race on us. We found you! Home is right here. You were... See you guys later. Good morning. It's Sunday morning here. We're just getting ready for church. We're
Packing up.
cleaning up the house because it's our last night time here. It's our last time here. Hi everyone, it's Monday morning. Just about to take off and leave for work. Yesterday didn't go as planned at all. We went to church and on the way to church I noticed the car acting up. Called my mom and dad and I'm like, what do I do? We didn't know if we should either go straight back home or go to snow tubing because we originally planned on going to snow tubing. The car was definitely still drivable. I didn't want to risk it, so I ended up going just straight home. So we were home by noon. I didn't film any of that. We still had a great trip. It was still a lot of fun hiking and being out in that forest during all the snowstorms. That was a lot of fun, and we are very glad we went. Thank you all for watching.